Ilan sa mga salitang binitawan nitong naturalized player ng Jordan matapos ang kanilang nakuhang panalo kahapon kontra sa koponan ni Tim. Yan matapos mang i-like ang video na ito, mag-subscribe sa ating channel at pakidamay na rin ang ating opisyal na Facebook page. Pero bago natin simulan, alam mo ba ngayon mas madali nang maglaro at manalo dito sa 1xBet? Especially na pwede ka nang mag-cash in at mag-cash out through GCash. Kaya naman i-click lamang etong link na nasa comment section ng ating video at gamitin ang promo code na BGS2 upang makasali. Isama pa natin na pwede mo na rin i-download etong kanilang official app para sa mas malalaking papremyo na nag-aantay sa'yo. Kahapon nga mga bularo, siguradong isa ka rin sa libo-libong Filipino fans na umantabay dito sa naganap na laban ng Pilipinas kontra Jordan. Especially na maraming Pinoy ang talagang naniniwala na isa ang tapatang ito sa mga lalong magpapatibay pa ng pangalan ni Tim bilang bagong head coach ng ating pambansang koponan. Kaya naman kagabi, matapos tayong matalo sa kamay ng Jordan at tambakan pa ng 25 points, di nga nagawang makatakas netong si Cone sa mata ng ilang taga-Batikos. Pero sa kabila niyan, marami naman ang nagulat dito sa mensahe na iniwan ng naturalized player ng Jordan sa ating koponan matapos ang game.
It was good, man. They played hard. You know, they really well coached. It's an honor. You know, I play there, so I love all those guys. They're amazing. Every time I see them, it's like a brotherly love. So.
Did it help that you were familiar with them?
Yeah, a lot, definitely. I mean, they're familiar with me too. You know, that's why, you know, some of the shots that I took were heavily contested. I didn't start off that well, but I got the mindset to keep going, keep shooting, keep being aggressive, and I think that, you know, that helped me in the long end.
Top of the group here, undefeated so far. How does it feel in being in that situation?
That's what we're here for, man. We're here to win, and that's all we're looking to do is to continue to keep winning. No matter who we play, we're going to give it our all and try to come out with a gold medal.